On the manager like that. Well. Are you serious?
Egg production farms. We just passed by one of the best missionary school we have. Welcome to Helene's Corner. As a food hub in Ebonyi State, you might want to know how to go to Iboko when you get to Ebonyi State, Nigeria. Okay, this is Rice Mill. Rice Mill is situated at Ogoja Road, okay, not far from the bus stop. And this is Ebonyi. We just drove straight to Ebonyi. And if you're also coming from Enugu Abakaliki Expressway, you will also pass International Market and get to this Ebonyi junction. It is from Ebonyi that you can go ahead and go to Iboko. Guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Helen Konko as usual. Please don't forget to always like my video. Get me rowdy. This is the first bridge. That's the place I made those rice videos. Sea flood. Sea flood.
I know that special kind of rice. Really.
The rice. Rice
On the manager like that.
Well.
Are you serious?
All rice domain be here. So less than 30 seconds drive after the bridge, you're going to see a signboard of 12 apostles by our left. So we are going to take this way. You can see 12 apostles college. Ever boots the 12 apostles? Wow. Iboko is the local government headquarters of Izzi local government area of Ebonyi State, Nigeria. Rice. Ooh. Rice and water. They go hand in hand. Okay. Iboko is located in the northwestern part of the state.
Before cause I will start to hate if I ever leave home. Look what I carry me to go for.
Just like the capital, Abakaliki is also a center of what? Agricultural trade.
Show my lover, she get the dollar. She did with the sun. I am looking for a sister. Show my lover.
Some of the agricultural products include rice, just like you've seen a lot of swampy area that we passed by where rice is being cultivated. Okay, we have cassava, palm oil, palm kernel, vegetables, animal skin, some isolated poultry egg production farms. We just passed by a lot of it around that place, and lots more, okay, can be found within these areas. Okay, so this is one of the major secondary school in the area. This one is Sharon Girls, the one we just passed by, and this is 12 Apostles beside it. Yes, one of the best missionary school we have in Ebonyi State. This school has produced a lot of, as in, great people in the country today. So guys, oh my god, I don't know if you've attended this school or you know someone that is attending this school. Please drop it in the comment section. Let us know, okay? And how far with the school? Is a missionary school, a Catholic school? Let us know more in the comment section.
I am looking for a sister. Show my lover. Yeah.
The final thing I have to tell you guys today is that this place houses one of the largest markets in Ebonyi State, and this market sells, or let's say opens, every 5 market days. with a carrying capacity of 5,000 to 15,000 people. Yes, that's how big the market is. See rice, rice, rice. See rice, yeah, rice. I dey tell you, okay. Upland, then what special species? And it will grow. Wow.
You don't to give me joy. You don't to give me joy. Hello, it be your name. Hello, it be your name. Internal rock of faith. Internal rock of faith. You was the reason for.
Wherever. So even if okay, how much I go? As short as it is like that. It's like we are approaching another junction again. Or maybe the market we are talking about. We have reached, right?
I told the other people,
Yes,
you
it's
just
fine.
drive to the one, then they drive to their roads and they connected.
The place is far. But this should be another junction anyway. Okay, this is Iboko. Okay, just that we have not reached where the market is. Okay. Oh yeah, yes. If you watched my previous vlog, you're going to know exactly what we later bought from the market. We bought gari, egusi, obono. We also got apple, all at a very, very cheap rate. Guys, you need to visit this market, especially if you're in Ebonyi state. Okay, when you're coming, come with a lot of money so that you're not going to go home and be regretting you didn't buy some important things. If you enjoyed or learned something new in this video, please like and share this video. Drop your comments at the comment section. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.